This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash the Tower Level 2. To begin, focus on the opening cube section. You will encounter several boulders and moving platforms. Precise jumps are key here. Next, carefully cross the toxic river by timing your leaps onto the wooden crates. Be ready for the first few gravity changes and falling pillars, requiring quick reactions to avoid spikes. Moving forward, you will encounter conveyor belts. Time your jumps carefully as crushers move up and down. Next, you will enter sections with various monsters. Observe their movement patterns closely to find safe paths and avoid contact. Strategic key collection is essential to unlock doors and continue your journey through the level. As you progress, an elevator sequence will lift you upwards. Be mindful of obstacles during this ascent. You will also face numerous spike challenges, including those dropping from the ceiling and others moving across your path. Quick, well-timed jumps are crucial to navigate these formations, especially in confined areas, ensuring your survival. Finally, you will face a boss. Continuously fire green shards while moving left and right to avoid its attacks. Dodge incoming lasers and ground spikes, especially during its final phase. After defeating the boss, maintain your concentration through the last platforming sequence. With careful execution, you will successfully complete the tower level 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.